Alright, cutting the mesh is the same for any kind of mesh you get. This one's dehydrator mesh, and all I do is I measure the bottom of the tray from edge to edge length by width. This one happens to be 19 by 19.5 by 9.5. And each tray should be measured separately, so you're sure. So I know it's 9.5 by 19.5. So then what I do is I take the tape measure, and in this case, I've already cut the length. It's the same for cutting the length as the width, which I'm about to show you. And I measure the edge of this to a sharp or a straight edge rather. And I do it on both sides, both ends. And I know it's 9.5. Then I take my razor blade, box cutter, razor blade knife, razor blade, whatever you want to call it. And I just hold it against this edge and I draw it all the way down till it cuts all the way through, all the way down. Piece of cake. When you get your screens, they're going to be bowed. And I'd already done this once. I'm going to do it again for the finished product. But they're going to be, because they're rolls, they're going to be bent out of shape and you're not going to be able to get them flat without doing this. And all I do is I just take a damp face towel and I put it over the screen to protect it from burning. I just take an iron on the hottest setting. I just go over it back and forth, back and forth. Sometimes in really stubborn spots, I'll let it sit there for a few seconds and then move it over a little bit. That's all you have to do to get them flat. Here are the 3 different food grade safe screens that I'm using. I wanted to bring you in close so you can see a difference in size between the 3.